We're talking with Braden Moreno, and Braden is with Robo 3D, which is a 3D printer. Tell us a little bit about the product.
All right, so we basically built this machine to basically be an affordable option to get into 3D printing. When we were first getting into 3D printing, we didn't want to spend $2,200 on a machine, so we built an affordable option for people like us that want to get into it. It's a really basic model. It works with PLA, biodegradable plastic. It's made from cornstarch, very safe for kids, very safe for education. And it's a great machine. It prints a lot, has a big build volume.
Okay, so what is affordable? What does that mean?
It's a $600 machine.
Wow!
Right out of the box. That includes the software, everything you need to get basically started printing. And if you don't know CAD, there's all these resources online where you can just find files and download them directly on the machine.
Okay, so what we got here is like you've got the computer over here that's running the device, right? So you've told the computer, print that out. And so now the printer is printing that out.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me some classroom applications. Why would a teacher be interested in that?
What's good about it is it takes a whole new level of applied learning. So what we're doing, and I'm working with Brown Dog Gadgets behind us here.
Okay.
They're actually creating lesson plans so you can apply 3D printing into education. And what that means is to be able to teach kids a really valuable thing, which is basically learning how to do basic CAD programming. And now they're able to create something in a CAD software and actually print it out and hold it in their hands, see if it functions together. Something, for example, like this, if pieces don't function together, they can fix it, they can adjust it.
So that was printed using this device?
Yes.
Okay, that's awesome.
Printed as separate pieces and all put together, so this really shows you do applications work together. If they don't, why not? You can assess them and then you can fix them and reprint them out. So.
Okay, so I can see this as an engineering class. I can also see it maybe in a science class where they're printing out like body parts or something like that.
Yeah, you can do molecules, all sorts of different things. This came directly off the 3D printer. Architectural students are actually using it for architectural modeling and stuff like that.
So we're not just stuck with lime green there. No, we can get something besides.
Plenty of different colors. The spools are really cheap. They're only $30, so you don't kill yourself on price with those.
How long does a spool last?
It does about. They did a study from start to finish. It did about 392 chess pieces worth of material, the board game chess. So you can do a lot with one of these spools. I can literally fill this table up with chess pieces.
So how does it work exactly? So it melts does it melt the plastic and then prints it out?
Yeah, what's this doing? It's basically acting like a hot glue gun. So this piece down here is actually at 190 C. These gears are actually just pulling in the plastic down into the chamber. It's just melting it at a constant flow, and the computer software is just telling it where to go. So.
And so when it's done, you just scrape it off with a spatula, like you just cooked
this bad boy right here.
Does it have to be that specific bad boy?
It doesn't have to, but this is really good because it's very thin, so you can get under pieces and pop them off.
Okay.
Or you can just pull pieces off. For most of the part that you can't pull them off. Sometimes they just stick really hard to the platform. So.
Okay, so if somebody's interested in this product, Braden, who do they get a hold of?
Well, they can contact me, or they can go on the website, which is the best thing. It's www.robo3dprinter.com.
Robo3dprinter.com.
Yeah, you can find out all the information about the printer, all the information about what we're doing, where we are. Go on our Facebook, our Twitter.
$600 for a 3D printer. That is totally awesome, man.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for sharing with us this morning.
No problem.
Thanks.